In Summit County, we have a saying, I came for a winter, but stayed for the summers. Summer in Dillon, Colorado is filled with events, activities, nightlife, and so much more. If you're considering the purchase of a condo in Dillon, you're going to love the Sail Lofts Condos on East Labonte Street, whether you're here for skiing or everything summer has to offer. The Sail Lofts Condos are newer construction built from 2018 to 2019, so they offer modern finishes and spacious floor plans. Located in the heart of downtown Dillon, Colorado, the Sail Lofts Condos offer convenient walking access to Lake Dillon for a day on the water, the Dillon Amphitheater for your favorite concert, Town Park directly across the street, and the Dillon Farmers Market each Friday all summer long. Hi, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group at eXp Realty, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of this fabulous condo, Sail Lofts Condos, Residence 306, located at 235 East Labonte Street. This condo is represented by Alex Matthews and myself at eXp. Come and join me as we take a tour of some of my favorite features of this condo. This penthouse residence is located on the third floor, which means no footsteps above you. It offers 2 bedrooms, each with a private bathroom and a spacious 1,150 square feet of living space. You'll enjoy both mountain and lake views from the private east-facing deck, and it's a perfect place from which to enjoy your first cup of coffee each morning. The gourmet kitchen is perfect for the chef who loves to prepare meals for everyone after a day of play. Featuring GE profile appliances, custom cabinetry, and quartz counters, there is seating for everyone with a kitchen breakfast bar and dining room table. We asked the sellers what they love most about living in this location, and some of their favorite memories include walking to the Dillon Marina to meet friends for lunch or happy hour while watching people kayak, canoe, and paddleboard on the lake. They also mentioned wrapping up in a blanket on a cool fall night, sitting outside on the deck and just taking in all the stars. And of course, on Fridays all summer long, the Dillon Farmers Market is right outside the door. Grab your fresh ingredients for healthy meals all weekend long. Summit County has always been a popular winter destination with access to 4 world-class ski resorts. On a powder day, you'll wake up, jump in the car, and head to either the Keystone Ski Resort, Arapahoe Basin, Copper Mountain, or the Breckenridge Ski Resort. And if you don't feel like driving, just outside your door, you'll find the Summit Stage shuttle bus stop, free access to slopes around the county. And whether you prefer hiking, mountain biking, or road biking in the summer, there is unlimited access to trails that lead you to adventure in every direction. Because Sail Lofts Condos are newer construction, you'll find all the modern conveniences you'd expect in the perfect mountain condo. Pull into your underground reserved parking space, drop your ski gear at the private owner's closet, take the elevator to your condo, and enjoy radiant in-floor heat, which is so cozy on a cold winter night. Well, that wraps up my tour of the Sail Lofts Condos and this Residence 306. What did you think? Could you imagine yourself here? For any questions or to schedule your private tour of this residence, please give us a call, send a text, or send an email. We're always happy to help guide you through your search and purchase of a Summit County residence.